Social Advancement Foundation of India, or SAFI, was formed in 2001 with a great vision of creating role model leaders with ethics and values to guide the future generations. The COVID 19 pandemic has impacted almost every corner of life, and vaccination is now offering a way to get out of this pandemic. Science Club of Safi Institute of Advanced Study is taking initiative to raise awareness on vaccination globally. So I request all of you to take vaccine and to get out of this COVID pandemic. Thank you.
Hello everyone. World Zoonosis Day is observed every year to celebrate the first vaccination against zoonotic diseases. We can create a global awareness on vaccines. For that, let us discuss different vaccines developed for COVID-19.
First is Covaxin. Covaxin is an inactivated viral double-shot vaccine which was developed by India. The next vaccine is AstraZeneca. It is a viral vector double-shot vaccine developed by the Oxford University and AstraZeneca. In India, it is distributed under the brand name Covishield. It is manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. The next vaccine is Sputnik V. It is also a viral vector double-shot vaccine developed by Russia. The next vaccine is Pfizer and BioNTech. It is also a double-shot vaccine but an mRNA-based vaccine which was developed by the United States and Germany. Moderna is also an mRNA-based double-shot vaccine which was developed by the United States. Now finally, the Johnson & Johnson vaccines. It is a single-shot viral vector vaccine developed by the Janssen Vaccines in Leiden, Netherlands and its Belgium parent company. Let's hear about the people from different countries and continents has to say about their COVID-19 vaccination.
Mabuhay! Ako si Chona Enriquez de Leon from Philippines. Ako ay baksinado ng Pfizer sa Qatar. Salamat!
Ciao, sono Antonio dall'Italia. Anch'io sono stato vaccinato qui in Qatar con Moderna. Grazie Qatar, ciao.
Lady Jemima, with Ghana, person will be able to say, my COVID vaccine, Pfizer vaccine. With that's it.
私は田中久美子です。日本から話しています。私は近々コロナワクチンを接種する予定です。あなたも世界を守るためコロナワクチンを接種してください。
ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇംഗ്ലണ്ടിലാണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത്. COVID-19 എതിരായിട്ടുള്ള പ്രതിരോധത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഇംഗ്ലണ്ടിൽ വിതരണം ചെയ്യുന്ന കോവിഷീൽഡ് അസ്ട്രാസെനിക്കയുടെ കോവിഷീൽഡ് വാക്സിൻ്റെ 2 ഡോസും ഞാൻ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു.
Hola, me llamo Tiffany, soy de España y estoy vacunada con la vacuna Moderna.
म कृष्ण कार्की दोहा कतारबाट मैले कोभिड-19 को 2 डोज लिइसकेको छु.
Hello, I'm Stella Joseph from Danville, California, originally from Kerala. I got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Assalamu alaikum. magacayga waxaa waaye Axmed Maxamuud. waxaan ku dhashay magaalada Kenya. waxaan bishii 3 2021 qaatay talaalka la dhahayo Pfizer and BioNTech. aad buu dadku u caawiyay. waani salaamayaa idinkoo dhan. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, my name is Roxanne Flores and I'm from Philippines. I took a Pfizer vaccine.
Hi, my name is Saira Paulus. I'm originally from Kerala, India, but now currently working and living in San Francisco, United States. I took the Pfizer vaccine.
Hola, me llamo Albert, soy de Barcelona, España y me puse la vacuna de Janssen y lo hice por mi mujer y por mi futuro hijo.
Hi, my name is Susan. I'm in New Hampshire, in the U.S. I'm 67, vaccinated. All my family is vaccinated.
Hi, my name is Osman, originally from Sudan. I'm living here in Ireland. I get vaccinated in Ireland here.
Hello, my name is Saad. I am from Bangladesh and I live in Ireland. This year I got my first Pfizer vaccine.
Hi, my name is Niharika Gurung. I'm from Nepal and I took a Moderna vaccine.
Hello everyone, my name is Manju. I'm living in UAE. I finished my vaccination with Pfizer. Please join vaccination program and save lives.